Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to blur out moving objects using Lightworks. And if you find this video useful, please hit that subscribe button, it means a lot. So first of all, this approach is going to be manual, meaning I'll use mask on blur effect and I will be manually adjusting keyframes. This is because currently Lightworks doesn't have built-in automated motion tracking feature like you might find in some other editors. So to begin with, let me play this video and see how it looks with no blur effects. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing here is I'll try to blur out this person's face. To begin with, I'll navigate to VFX and in the search box type in and find an effect called blur. Okay, once you find blur, select it, navigate here, click apply, and now you can see the whole video has been blurred out. That's fine. Now navigate here to the right hand side under FX settings and under the blur, expand the mask. Now under the mask, select the shape that you want to use. So blurring out faces is best to use this circular shape. Then navigate on the preview window and left click and draw the shape around the face like this. That should be enough. And next what we have to do is just apply some keyframes on center X and center Y. So make sure you enable keyframes here, light them up in blue. And now I'm going to be playing the video and manually adjusting this circle as the object moves. So in this case, this person. Just like this, just play, pause. I'm just hitting space button on the keyboard and readjust the position of this blur circle. And we are nearly finished. Okay, that should be enough. Now if I go back here to the start of this video, replay, and that's the final result. As you can see, we've created this manual motion tracking. Now you might want to adjust the size of the shape as well, so in this case the circle, and if you want to do that you might have to enable the keyframes for radius X and Y or scale, just in case you know, as the object comes closer or further, you might want to make it smaller or larger. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching and I really hope I helped. Please leave a comment, like this video and subscribe. See ya.